Wings are very thin, broad leaf-like structure we have discussed, strengthened by a number of hollow, narrow tubular structure called as vein. Okay, what is this? You see, this is a broad leaf-like structure. These are strengthened. These are getting support by number of hollow tubular structure like this. Hollow tubular structure. These are what? 1111 veins. Clear what is a vein? Yes or no? Again, I will discuss properly. Understood up to this?
Yes, sir.
So, arrangement of veins on wing surface. How they are arranged on the wings? This particular thing is known as what? Your wing venation. Understood what is a wing venation? Yes or no? Here you see how these veins are arranged on this leaf-like structure, that is known as what? Your wing venation. Here one important point is there. Several venation terminologies are there, but most widely accepted one is Comstock or Comstock-Needham system. So whatever the venation system now we will discuss, that is given by whom? Comstock and Needham. The most widely accepted type of hypothetical type of venation. Next you see the veins passing in the furrow are known as concave veins, and those on the ridge is known as convex. Suppose I will draw a diagram. Okay, here this is known as what? Convex or concave? Ridge or furrow? This one. Ridge. Yes or no? This is what?
Yes, sir.
Furrow.
Ridge.
So, ridges are known as convex, denoted as plus. That means it is a dorsal side, and this is known as what? Your concave. Like this, whatever happening, the veins are arranged. Understanding? Yes or no? Some are convex veins, some are concave veins. Ridges are convex and furrows are concave. Ridges are denoted as plus because they are elevated. Furrows are denoted as negative because they are not elevated. They are downward, depth one. Why not in a plane they are arranged? Why they are arranged in region furrow? What is the need? Can anybody tell? Why they are arranged in this undulating manner, not in the plane? Can anybody tell?
Sir, there is a why? Because they are in ridge and furrow means they are able to fly easily, sir. In case plain area means they will push hardly to fly, sir.
Okay. That is correct. That means you see, fly, that is okay. Again, what will happen? It will be easy for them to close their wings. Understanding? Just like you see, you might have seen such kind of thing. What is this? This Japanese fence? Yes or no? They will hold it. Chinese people. Have you seen these things? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Here what will happen? If they try to close this one, then easily they can close it because that is in a region furrow manner. If that will be plain, can they close it directly? Like this mechanism will be there. Yes or no? As it is region furrow, it will be easy to close it. Yes or no? If that will be a plane, can you close that one? Can you close it?
No, sir.
No. So in case of insect also, when they are flying, they will open it. When they are under rest, they will close it. Yes or no? In most of the insects. So for this, what is happening? Your region furrow system is there. Up to this clear? Okay. Like
Yes,
this,
sir.
what will happen? It can be closed. Clear? Okay. Next. Now we will see what are the different type of veins are there. Okay. The veins are extended from the axillary region, from the base, and some are convex, like this ridge. Yes or no? Some are convex. It is denoted as what? Inverted U shape. You see, some are ridges and some are furrows. Some are convex, some are concave. Clear now? Now what is convex? What is concave? Till now? Yes or no?
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So what are the different type of veins you see? One is costa. The anterior vein is known as what? Your costa. Okay, this one costa. Then what will come? Subcosta will come. Then what will come? Radius will come. Okay, radius and radial sector. Then what will come? Your media will come. Then your cubitus will come. Then your anal veins, unbranched anal veins will come. Like this, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 number of veins are there. Longitudinal veins are there. Longitudinal means straightly they are moving. Yes or no? Up to this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now coming to the cross vein. Longitudinal veins means they are not crossing with each other, simply they are moving. just like a train line. Yes or no? What is cross vein? The vein which will interlink in between two longitudinal veins. Suppose two veins are running, in between them one cross linking vein is there. That is known as what are cross veins. Clear?
Yes, sir.
How many cross veins are there? You see 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. What is humeral cross vein? The cross vein present in between costa and subcosta. You see, this is the costa and this is the subcosta. Yes or no? Zoom picture you see, this is the costa and this is the subcosta. Lower one, huh? So in between them you see there is a cross vein. Can you see it? My mouse pointer.
Yes, sir.
This is known as humeral cross vein, denoted as H. Clear? Humeral vein or humeral cross vein or humeral cross vein. Clear? Denoted as H. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Next you see in between subcosta and your radius there is no cross vein. Nothing is there. Next you see radius is divided into two types. Yes or no? You see radius is there. This is the radius. Okay. It is divided into R1 and your RS. Okay. RS means radial sector. So in between them you see there is one cross vein. Can you see it? My mouse pointer, is it visible? Can you see it? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
This is known as what? Your radial cross vein. Zoom picture here you see. Radial cross vein. In between R1 and your, this is RS. There is a cross vein. That is known as what? Your radial cross vein. Radial sector with radius. Understood? Radius with your radial sector. Up to this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Good. Next you see radiomedial. That means in between radius and media. So where it is happening? You see in case of radius, there are some branches. R1, R2, R3, R4, R5. Yes or no? Similarly, in case of media also you see there is different branches. MA1, MA2 like this. So in between the last thread of radius and first thread of media, there is a cross vein. Yes or no? This is known as what? Your radiomedial cross vein. RM. Denoted as RM. Clear? This picture. This picture. Zoom one.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Next you see the last one in between media and cubitus. One is media, one is cubitus. So you see in case of media, this is the media, there are also different group. MA1 is there, MA2 is there, okay, MP1 is there, MP2 is there, like this. Then MP3 is there, MP4 is there. Different branches are there in the media. Which one is the last branch? Your MP4 is the last one. 4. This one, huh? This one is the last branch. Yes or no? Is it visible? You see, MP4 is the last branch. Yes or no? What is the first branch of cubitus? You see cubitus first branch is your what? CU1A. Yes or no? In between these two there is a cross vein. That is known as what? Your mediocubital cross vein. If you try to write it more properly, how to write? You see, radiomedial means that is in between R, which one? R5. Yes or no? R5 and your which one? MA1. Yes or no? Up to this clear? That is your radiomedial. What is mediocubital? That is your MP4 and which one? Tell. MP4 and which one? This one.
U1A.
CUA1. Sorry, 1A. Yes or no? Very good. I told wrongly. CU1A. Clear? Clear what is longitudinal vein, what is convex vein, what is concave vein, what is cross vein, what are the cross vein, where they are present, everything clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next you see the insect wings may have sometimes possess some pigmented spot near the costal margin. This is the costal margin. Yes or no? Known as pterostigma or stigma. Here you can see this is the dragonfly. There will be one nodus, a curvature will be there, that is known as nodus, and there will be a black thickening will be there, that is known as pterostigma. Here you see pterostigma. All the wings, forewing, hind wing, left wing, right wing, everywhere pterostigma is there, everywhere nodus is there. Yes or no? Here you see.
Yes, sir.
Real picture, huh? This is known as what? Pterostigma. Understood what is pterostigma? Clearly this one, huh? Pterostigma. Clearly understood. How to define? There is a black thickening like spot present in the costal margin of the all wings of Odonata, dragonfly and damselfly. That is known as what? Your pterostigma. Clear? Stigma present on in the ptera is known as pterostigma. Here one more question arises. Question for you. You tell. Suppose I will ask, which are the insect which possess paired trochanter? Which are the insect which have double trochanter in their leg? Which insect? Same example, dragonflies.
Dragonfly.
Good. Where we have discussed in the leg, try to remember, in the trochanter we have discussed, they have your paired trochanter. Okay, one division will be there, so that it will be divided into two halves. Okay. So next you see the venation we will see. Up to that clear na? Or any doubt is there? Up to this clear? Up to this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next you see, now we'll discuss the longitudinal veins. Okay. Already we have discussed the cross veins. There is nothing in it. Here again we will repeat. Costa. So first longitudinal vein is costa. It is the first anterior marginal vein. You see, before this no more vein. This is the first anterior marginal vein. Here you see, this is the first anterior marginal vein. Okay. Is it divided into subsegments? Is it divided? Is there any division in the costa?
No, sir.
No. Yes or no? This is the undivided vein. It forms this thickened anterior margin of the wing, costal area, costal margin. It is unbranched, as you can see, and this is the convex line. Clear? This is the convex one. Clear? That means it is in the ridge. Understood? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next you see the subcosta. It is a second vein. You can see it is a second vein, subcosta. It runs immediately below the costa. Here you can see. Okay. The two branches of subcosta is there. You see, branches of subcosta is there. Yes or no? Branches of subcosta. One is your SC1. Another one is your what? SC. C will be small. SC2. This will be SC1. This will be your SC2. Clear? Yes or no? And both are concave in nature. All are concave in nature. Clear? Costa is convex, subcosta is concave.
Yes, sir.
It is arising from first axillary sclerite. This is not that much important from exam point of view. It is from the axillary region we have discussed. Next you see radius. It is the third vein. This is important. Stout and connects at the base with the second axillary sclerite. Started with second axillary sclerite. Before its division into two branches, it is convex. Here you see there is some difference. In costa subcosta, what is happening? Costa is completely convex, subcosta is completely concave. But you see in case of radius, that is different. Before it divides, where here it is dividing, yes or no? This is the point where it is dividing, yes or no? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Up to this it is convex. Understood this point? Next you see this radius is divided into two branches. One branch is known as R1. Here you can see this whole branch is your R1 and this branch is known as RS. What is the full form of RS? Who can tell? What is the full form of RS? We have discussed. Radial sector. Up to this radial sector. Very good. Again you see radial sector is further divided into two branches. Those two branches are again divided into your two branches. RS divided into two branches. One branch is divided into R2 and R3. Another branch is divided into your R4 and R5. Clear? So together R1, R2, R3, R4, R5. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? So how to write? R divided into your R1 and RS. Yes or no? RS again divided into two branches. These two branches are again divided into your R2, then R3, then again this is divided into your R4 and your R5. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So before division radius is convex. After division what is happening? This R1 will become convex and R2, R3, R4, R5 will become concave. Clear? Radial sector is completely concave. Now how it is coming? Plus, minus, plus, this whole minus. Understood? Alternatively it is happening. Next you see media. It starts from the median plate, not that much important, still you can remember, and it is the fourth vein. It divides into two branches, anterior media and posterior media. You see M, where is M? This one is the M. It is your again concave, yes or no, at the beginning. Then it is divided into MA and MP, yes or no. MA will be convex, MP will be concave. MA is again subdivided into two veins. One is MA1, MA2. MP is subdivided into MP1 and MP2. So subdivided into your four parts, MP1, MP2, MP3 and MP4. MA is divided into MA1, MA2. MP is divided into two sub branches. These two sub branches again divided into MP1, MP2 and your MP3 and MP4. Okay, so you see MA is convex and MP is your what? Concave. This much you remember. After this it will be very speed, we can complete. Okay, then you coming to cubitus. It is articulated with your distal median plate. It is the fifth vein. Cubitus is divided into convex CU1 and convex CU2. Cubitus, this is the cubitus, yes or no, divided into CU1 and CU2. CU1 is positive, CU2 is negative, yes or no. You see CU, this one, CU1 and CU2. CU1 is positive, divided into CU1A and CU1B. CU2 is unbranched. CU is divided into CU1 and CU2. CU1 is again divided into CU1A and CU1B. CU2 is undivided. Up to this clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
CU1 is convex and CU2 is your what? Concave. Next you see the last one. Okay, last one. It starts from the third axillary sclerite. These veins are convex. All are convex only. Undivided. This one, this one, this one, this one. Okay, this one, this one, this one. These are all your veins are convex and they are individual, unbranched. 1, 2, 3 in number. You see these are 3 in number. 1 or 2 jugal veins unbranched are present in the jugal lobe of the forewing. Okay, in the jugal. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So how to remember which one is convex, which one is concave? Like this you try to draw a line. Here you see this is the trick. Like this you draw a line, reach furrow. The first one is costa, that is convex. Second one is subcosta, that is concave. Next one is R1, that is convex. Next is radial sector. Radial sector means all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All are concave. MA is convex. MA1, MA2 convex. MP is concave. MP1, MP2, MP3, MP4 all are concave. CU1, that is your convex. That means CU1A, CU1B both are convex. CU2 is unbranched, that is your concave. All anal are your convex. Clear? Yes or no? Draw like this, you can easily remember and you can easily explain. Clear? And this is an important long question from exam point of view, even including your internal.
अच्छा सुनो, सब्सक्राइब करते वक्त ना घंटी बजा देना ताकि जब मैं ऑनलाइन आऊँ तो तुम्हारे फोन की भी घंटी बजे।